Okay, so first thing I create a key pair. Okay, so what are the steps we have to do? So I will do in the US East 2, okay, because this Lambda is US East 2. So one thing is we create a EMR cluster. So I'll make it start EMR cluster. So this role, this role, this bucket. So this bucket we have to change to some other. So I just create, this is any bucket you can create, that's not a problem. I open S3. But everything I have to do US East 2 region. So this Ohio is US East 2. Create bucket. This is the okay, so this bucket is created. So I have to create for EMR these two roles. So one role is a EC2 instance profile role and one is a EMR service role. So I created a bucket. I have to create this service role and this EC2 default role. So EC2 default role. So I'll go to IM. Role. Okay, one user I need for admin access. Administrator. Administrator permission. Okay, so this user, I'll create access key, secret key, security credential. So I'll create a access key, secret key. So these two I copy it. Okay, secret key. Okay. So now I create another role. So I have to create a two roles. One is EMR EC2 role and one is a EMR service role. So this role is a EMR role to run a EMR cluster. Okay. So this role is a type of EMR. So type of EMR. So this role I give a name, this service role. Another role I have to create EMR EC2 and this role is EMR and EMR role for EC2. So this role is a EMR role for EC2. So this role is a EMR role for EC2. Here I'll add this name EMR role EC2. And I have to add more permission in this because this is the role which will access everything. Okay, so I will add more policies. Okay, later we can add. Okay, next, and create role. So once this role is created, so in this role, we have to add more permissions. So what are the permissions we need? Okay, DynamoDB, full access. We need Kinesis because we are accessing Kinesis. So Kinesis, two Kinesis are there. Okay, so remember, Kinesis analytics stream don't select. Kinesis full access, this is your data stream. Okay, and one is a Kinesis Firehose. So Kinesis Firehose full access. So these two Kinesis you select, because if you tried any other Kinesis, right? Suppose this one you selected, your data will be not received by the data stream. So data stream is this Kinesis full access and Firehose is this. So what else is there? We are using S3. So S3 full access we need, right? Initially data is coming. Lambda we need. So Lambda full access we need. Lambda execution role. So Lambda basic Lambda execution role. So basic Lambda execution role we added. Okay. So I believe these are the, so DynamoDB and two Kinesis are there, and S3 is there, and Lambda is there, and EMR EC2 is there. Okay. As per the diagram. So okay, so as per diagram, we have this role access. Lambda is there, S3, DynamoDB, EMR, and OpenSearch. Okay, so OpenSearch we forgot. So OpenSearch also we need OpenSearch. So we have to add. So OpenSearch full access. Okay, so our role is ready. So how many things are here? This role is ready. This role is ready. Bucket, S3 bucket. This bucket is created. Okay, so this bucket is there, and we can keep it name is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think everything is there, but this US is 2, because if we have given a wrong region, so it will create in that wrong region. So everything, make sure whatever you are just setting up, everything should be in place. Okay, so once you have everything in place, okay. Anything you guys think? So all good, right? This Hadoop Spark, we are taking only 2 application because we need Hadoop Spark only in EMR now. But if we have to add more application, then we can add name, other high scoop you can add. Okay. But in this particular scenario, only we are going to use Spark. Okay. And this is an instance type. We have taken the cluster. So here total 3 nodes will create, and basically these 3 nodes are EC2 instance only. Okay. So when you will see the EMR cluster will be ready, you will see 3 node will be there. Okay. And and whatever security group is using, we have to, they have not mentioned the security group here. Okay. Okay, let run. Okay, and now we have to run this EMR command. We have to connect with our local to the CLI. Okay, so I have to open the CLI. So AWS configure. So I have to change now access key, secret key, because I'm using the different account. Okay, so I have to change. So I have to add new one. So this access key, secret key I have to add. And this region I have to change US East 2. And this is not a problem. Yes. Now my account is ready for to connect this particular AWS account. Now if I do AWS S3 LS, so I will see the bucket of only one bucket. Okay. So far it's only one bucket. One bucket we will create for our files, uploading files, right? Because we have to create a custom event. Okay. So I'll start this command to create EMR cluster. Okay. So, okay. So it will start EMR cluster. Let's make sure, right? Our EMR cluster is starting. So if we look at here, is terminated with errors. Oh, this special instance can be used in a BPC. Okay, maybe it is not taking default BPC here. Okay, let's try without command. Yes. The M5X large, M5X large. So task node we don't need. BPC. I think no BPC here. Create BPC. Actually, the problem is if we providing some BPC option in our command, then it will work. So it was not having any BPC. That is the reason. Okay, so now we select the BPC. Subnet it is coming. Okay, security group. Okay, I think these are options. So this is the key pair. And the role I will choose my on role I created. So I will be, this is a service role. Service role is the service role. This is a EMR default role. So these all things are set. This is key pair and BPC. What is happening? 6.8.0 custom. Not the task node. BPC. Okay, so next is this. This is the new key pair, and this role is default. This role is this. Okay. So this is the one part, like creating a EMR cluster. So okay, so create EMR cluster with EMR EC2 role and EMR service role. Second thing is we have to create a Lambda. Create Lambda function. Okay. So Lambda function. So we create a Lambda function. Create a function. So Lambda. Python we use 3.9 because maybe 3.11, maybe some issue. Okay, so use existing role. We have already created EMR service role, EMR default role. Okay, that role is not coming. Oh, so in this role, we added basic execution role. So Lambda, or let it create here new one, because this one is not related to that EC2 role one. Okay, create a new role with basic Lambda. Okay, so we have to create a trigger here. Application section. So this role is created by Lambda. So it's the same permission added, basic execution role. Okay, so this one, So we have to upload the code here. So we have to upload zip file. Yesterday we discussed about the zip file we have to upload. Okay, we create another S3 bucket for uploading the file. We are creating a folder. So this is the bucket. This bucket I will configure in my Lambda as a trigger. Okay, so my folder name is trajectory inside the bucket. So inside the bucket and dot plt. So this trigger is ready. Meanwhile, we check EMR cluster. Okay, now we try to connect our EMR cluster and check whether it's working or not. So this is the SSH connection. So I will go and connect here my PEM file, CD download. So I will connect to EMR. My PEM file is in the same location. So, okay. Oh, okay, file it is not finding. Unless my EMR key. I don't recognize this. So why it is saying name of service not known? We have to check the SSH connection is not there. So we have to check the security group to verify the SSH 22, right? The security group. So I'll go to the security group. So there I have to check SSH port is enabled or not. So here I'm not finding this. So I will add edit inbound rule. So I will add one more SSH. So here I will add SSH default is 22. So I will save this. Now I will try the connection. Name of service not known. Let's see in the EC2 the machines are created. Okay, these two are machines are running. This is the master node. Which one is the master? This is the master, second one. This is the master. What is the name? 10.0. So 146.62. IP is not assigned. Yeah, George, you were getting also same problem, right? Public IP not assigned.
No, I wasn't getting the same problem.
Hmm?
No, I wasn't getting the same problem.
You were getting same problem, right?
No, mine was working fine.
No, I'm saying initially you were getting some issue, right? Public IP not assigned, right?
Yeah, but that was in US East 1.
But it's the same issue now, right? That I'm saying, right? Because this guy has getting a US East 2 because public IP is not assigned. That's the reason it is not giving access. Okay.
Yeah, because US East 2, I'm not getting the problem, but US East 1, I'm getting the same issue.
Same issue.
Yeah.
So you change the region, right? You got the US East 1, then you went to US East 2, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Because the public IP is not assigning, right? They are not assigning. That's the reason
Yeah.
it is saying service not. Okay, because without public IP, we can't access.
Yeah, I was having the same exact issue. I don't know, something with AWS with that region,
Hmm.
but like the Ohio one should work though, but my Ohio one is working fine.
Yeah. So because public IP is see here it's not coming
I think
public.
it's something to do with the subnet, the VPC and the subnets. You just have to maybe set it right.
So BPC
I think the subnet, we have to make sure the subnet is set right.
all in the same region.
Yeah, I think so.
No, but it when I'm creating BPC, it will be creating everything in the same region only. Okay, let's see.
Yeah,
Only
that's
one
what I
BPC
thought.
I
Yeah.
created. I created this all subnet came, right? One, two private, two public, right? So what are the region in this? See, all are the US East 2 only, right? Okay. Because I'm
Yeah.
creating from the BPC I created, right? So it will not create different. Okay. So see,
Yeah.
so other option is I should try other region and check first EMR cluster is working fine.
Do you want to try maybe the Mumbai region?
Yeah, because the public IP is not there, we can't connect EMR. So
Mm-hmm.
the
Mm-hmm.
only issue is coming when EC2 instance, because public IP so far it should come. If it is running and yet public IP is not assigned, it's issue.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's the
so
same issue I was facing. Yeah. So change the region and it should work fine.
Mhm.
Maybe try. Did you try ES1?
Which one?
US East one?
No, no, US East one I didn't try. I tried East 2 because. Okay. Okay, let me try Mumbai region, try it. Like maybe because might be there also the issue. Okay, we can't know. Okay, first I create a EMR cluster. Okay, if EMR cluster work fine because roles are not problem. Roles is not specific to the region. Only thing is like Lambda and EMR and OpenSearch. These three should be in the same region. Okay,
Right.
let
Yeah.
create here the cluster because if you are not getting the public anywhere like that will be issue. But let me check it. It works fine now. So because that is not our issue because if it is coming, public IP is not assigned. That would be some reason they are not giving. But it is not possible a specific person, right? Like, okay, this account is from UK. So they are not giving some access to some reasons. Okay, so Spark, Hadoop will not take much time. So this is okay, but I have to create another security pub. The VPC I have to create. Here is any problem, something? We are having option BPC only, BPC and more prawn. Okay, so no IPv6. I think this is all default options. So,
But Ivan, for mine though, like I use the command line to create it though.
but your case BPC was there, right? Okay, if we can give the option in BPC, but we have to give BPC option. BPC option is not there in our command. We have to add that option. If we add that option, then we can create through command line.
But the same command line you gave me is exactly what I use. I didn't add any VPC. It's the same thing I use.
But there was no, because default BPC was not there. That's the reason it, in your region that would be there. Okay, we try here the.
Unless maybe you change the code because I use the exact same code and it created my EMR.
So your EMR is creating now, right?
Yeah, with the exact same code you gave me on the
Yeah.
command line.
This actually EMR key I gave wrong that time. So have to change the bucket also. Or command line like through UI I can do. Just we check whether we are able to see if you are able to do UI, then no need to create. So this is creating everything here in the same region it will create. Okay. So this is all south regions. If you see, everything is south region. Okay, so here. Okay, so role I can choose same. Okay, this is all fine. And BPC we given. Primary and worker and Spark and Hadoop. The security group. Okay, in this region, no security group is there. Uh, select this. So within 2 minutes, we'll see that if it is coming, public IP is not coming or coming. Okay,
Yeah, this one works.
no, still second option has not come.
Hmm.
So we can check the EC2 instance is. So change to the piece out. Okay, instance are coming, and this time public IP is coming. So we are good. Right, public IP is coming. So we can connect. Okay, so I think that is the reason problem only. What? Mhm. This is the problem of SSH is not there. Okay, we have to add. So this is a common problem. So we have to go to here in the master node. So we have to assign a security group. Okay. So this security group. Yeah, it's connecting. So we are on the EMR now. So EMR is ready. Okay. So everything we have to do in the AP South one only. So now we create a bucket also. So AP South one region. Okay, so Lambda function, we have to create another Lambda. Or this Lambda code we have to change only. Oh, but this is in Ohio region created, so create another one. So here is no Lambda. So our new bucket is okay. We have to modify the code as well because our code has US East 2. So I modified this code. It will not save because it's a zip file change. So this file is a read only. If I make it property, if I change, can I do? So my file is changed. This file is changed. So after zip, we have to check whatever things are there directly inside the folder that should be there. Otherwise, it will not be able to locate. So we have to check in the zip. It is directly not there, right? It is creating another folder. Okay, so this is not correct. So I think I should create a zip like this. It's creating a zip with the numpy. And if this zip we go, we are getting everything here. Okay, so we take this zip to upload. So we have to so code, we have to upload the zip. So second thing is we created Lambda function. Same reason in EMR cluster. Okay. And in this Lambda function, we have to create a trigger for reading S3 files as custom event. Okay. Third, also we will start OpenSearch because OpenSearch take 5 to 10 minutes. So we start OpenSearch to create a new cluster of OpenSearch. So it's in Mumbai region, and here we create a domain, my domain, any name we can give. Standard create, dev test, and domain with this version 1.3. Number of nodes fine. With this. So it should ask user password also. Okay. Public access and fine grain control. We have to create a user. So I'm going to create a user for OpenSearch. Okay. So this is all things are default. Okay. So we have given public access and create a user and okay. And this is a Mumbai region. So we creating OpenSearch domain, same region. Manage the user. Okay, this is, so this domain will take time. It will be creating. Meanwhile, we create a Kinesis stream and start flow. Okay. So we have to test the flow till Spark, then OpenSearch will come. So we have to create one Kinesis data stream. Okay, Kinesis data stream. And once our OpenSearch service is ready, then we create a Firehose delivery stream. So create data stream, my input stream. I'm keeping it the same name, what I'm using in my code, my input stream. That is the name of my data stream name, my input stream. And this all, here is a provision. I'm giving one shot. So I'm creating a Kinesis data stream. Okay, so first we check the float till here, Kinesis. Okay, so we upload the file in the bucket. Data. Okay, so now we check in the Lambda. So monitor. Log group is not created yet. Because still it is not creating a this Lambda. What is the problem? Okay. Line number 15. So in our code, how many parameters are there? Okay, that key will not be there. Custom event is not calling. I create another lambda to check whether the event group it is creating for this one or not. Something is a permission issue, like a specified group does not exist in this account. Maybe cloud was permission also we have to give. Lambda is calling, but log event, no. Okay, it is created. So I already given the permission for the same role. Okay, so now we try to upload file now. Okay, let's see. Okay, here monitor, or we go back. Now it's created. Okay, so now log is created, and we have got it in the data stream. We got the data. So now we can check Kinesis data stream. Here I will record stream horizon. Here is not refreshed. But here it is showing bucket name. So this is all showing. Yeah, it is not showing any error. Failed count 0 and records are coming. What is Mumbai region I created input stream? Okay, yes, delete and create again. So Lambda. $423. Okay, so this is the latest coming. And the Kinesis. Okay, got it finally. Okay, till here we have got it till data stream. And let's see this OpenSearch one is a cluster. So this is about OpenSearch. We refresh cluster here. So this is also ready. So now we can create a one Firehose stream. So this is my OpenSearch, and I can. Okay, for this problem we have to add some permission thing. So in the Firehose here we have to create another one data Firehose. Okay, let's first do with the Spark EMR one because our data stream is there. So we can run our code to get the data in the Spark. So next is after getting data in data stream from Lambda through S3. Now get data in Spark EMR. Okay. So Spark EMR code, we have to this Spark EMR code. So this is first to read the stream data, just checking the what is the stream data, but this is not writing to the Firehose. So this particular code, and we have to start our Spark shell in the EMR cluster. So our EMR cluster here login. So we start Spark shell, and this Scala one, same similar code you can write for PySpark. Okay. So I'm using a Spark Scala code. I'm starting the Spark shell, that is bringing the Scala shell. And if you want to test, you can test with the PySpark, but same package. So package is like libraries, right? Dependency jars. It will provide through the internet package. Okay. So this package we are using for the Kinesis because it is going to read the data from the Kinesis data stream. So next thing we have to check whether we are able to see the same data in the Spark. Okay. So we have to run this code. This code is reading data from my input stream. But one thing is remember here, the Kinesis endpoint URL should be AP South 1. Okay, this should be if you are using whatever your, and this is my app. This should be creating a one table with this name in DynamoDB. So we have to verify if DynamoDB is creating this table or not. Okay. So I will start this code on the here. And I will check my DynamoDB. Tables. So this table is created. Here, the entry should come. The shard ID entry should be there. The shard ID entry is there. It means we are good. Now we'll get the data in our here. Uh, my input stream. Let's upload a new file. So 1223, this is not latest. 1228. Okay, we are able to get the data. So this data is just printing, okay, but it is not writing anywhere. It's just showing. So we'll write another program. We'll write another code which will be writing to the Firehose delivery stream. Okay, we'll start the Spark shell again. Okay, so we have to create a delivery stream. So another code is this Firehose. So this code is the same, but only thing is we have to create a one Firehose delivery stream. So this Firehose delivery stream we have to create before writing the data. So this is the Firehose delivery stream. So we are choosing here my data is coming from the Spark. So it's a direct put. Okay. And destination is OpenSearch. So destination is a OpenSearch. So here is a direct put. Destination is the OpenSearch service. What happened? So here is saying Firehose stream name. So I will give it whatever name I'm using in the code. I'm going to use this. And the next thing is, so we have to tell about which domain, right? So I have to search my domain. So my domain is already ready. So I give in here. Okay, I have to give some index name where my data will be transferred. So whatever name I give here, there the data will be indexed. Okay, and this all fine. Here we have to choose one bucket. So I gave some new bucket I create. Okay, so I browse the bucket. So refresh here, this bucket. Okay. Yes, all things fine. So this we will add in the our OpenSearch this IAM role. Okay, so that I will show. Okay, where to give the access to this one. Okay, let's create the first Firehose. So this role, I have to go to my OpenSearch. And okay, but before that, I have to open this URL. So I have to add it a security configuration here. So here. This I should make it allow. Okay, so first of all, this URL should open, and there we have to add that IAM role of this Firehose. So this Firehose delivery stream, Firehose delivery stream IAM role, this role. So this role ARN, this one we have to copy in the Elasticsearch. Once this is done, I will open this. Yeah. So previously it was giving error because the permission was not allowed. Okay. So this is the OpenSearch UI. This Elasticsearch OpenSearch Kibana. This is a Kibana. So I'm giving the same password what I set it. So when I log in, cannot forget the password. Yeah. So so this thing initial settings comes, so you just set it. Okay. And so here we have to go to security, and we have to go to role, all access, mapped user, manage mapping. This backend role you have to add. So I'll copy from my Firehose. This is the my ARN role. This one I'll copy here to allow access. So I will map it and dev tool. So here, so abhi so far data is not there. So which trajectory? Okay. We can check here the indexes. Okay. Okay, let's do this code first. This fire is string code. So this code we have to merge with our this code. So first of all the import statement, we'll add it. Next, we need this initial Spark streaming, all these things. So initial data is coming till here. So we will get a data here. And this stream will be read here and write to the Firehose. And here I've give AP South 1. And this is my Firehose delivery stream name. So this code is not needed. And last is SSC start. And this is the function which is called here to write the data. So here is again this thing change AP South 1. But this time we will not see the data here because I'm not printing. So we'll try to upload one file. A bucket. So if everything is set here, okay, let's first see the Kinesis string getting data or not. Get record 1242. It means Lambda is not getting. Well, 23 is there. Oh, I have uploaded at the wrong place. To upload here. This is Ohio one. Oh, South one. How many bucket? This is the bucket. Okay, let's see one by one. First, we see CloudWatch. Okay, it got it. Now we check data stream. So 1244. Yeah, here is got it. Now we check Spark. Okay, because here we will not print. So let's directly see. So what is the name we have given in the Firehose delivery? So we can check the Firehose log also. We want to verify whether our stream is delivered. So in the Firehose, we can check here destination log delivery. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Okay, we got it data. So, okay, error will come, then error is there. Okay, because error is not there, then why error will come? Okay. If successfully data is delivered, then error will not come. That's the reason we are not getting the error. Okay. So we are getting the data here. Okay. So this data is coming from the Firehose delivery string. Okay, so we can try more data and we can see here the incoming data here. So are you guys clear this all, right? Are you able to see? Because I'm getting silence from you guys. There's nobody is asking question.
Yeah, I'm here. It's quiet.
Okay. So now you guys can do right till here so far, everything. So little bit challenge is right configuration part. Because if your role and your regions are not all matching right as per the criteria, so you will not get the desired result. So, so anywhere if you're not getting error, it means then fine. Because if you are every point you verify your till the data is delivery. If you are getting the issue here in the Firehose, so you can check here the destination delivery logs. So you will get the error, right? If any issue is to deliver your events, right, to the OpenSearch. Okay, because the endpoint for the Firehose is OpenSearch service. Okay. And there is a one in Firehose, one thing is there, like you can test data is there, test from the demo data. So this test demo data is also you can start and you can check whether your connection with the delivery stream with the Firehose delivery stream to the OpenSearch. Okay. And this is this ticker symbol you will search. So if I start sending demo data, so it is some random data generating, right? Some this ticker symbol and sector change price. So it is multiple JSON data, like same like data is coming from the Spark, right? So similar way it is generating the random data. Now if I want to search this, so I create another one. So, see now it is increased or not, right? Previously only 4 were coming. So if you want to add here, I think here I can search it. So another one you copy and change this and here I'm not giving any specific query, so you should get all. We still not created because it is saying this is the but okay, this one is we have to run in the curl command. Is that Linux we have to. Okay, so in the reporting thing is here we have to go to create a one index pattern. So now everything will be the further with the related to Kibana only, the reporting section. Okay. So here we have to create a new index pattern. So I have to create a new index pattern. And these are all the, oh, this ticker one is taking. So here is a dashboard. Create a new dashboard. You can choose different types of dashboard. So I think one horizontal bar. But our field is not coming because this is the aggregation function. These are our one altitude, attitude, right? So I can select the field. So based on our data, it will be showing. Okay. So you can save it and you can create a new chart. Okay. This is a bar chart. Okay. And then you can create a one final dashboard with all the dashboard. Okay. So another dashboard, you can create one pie chart. So count basis, I'm going to do this. So bucket is slices. So how many we will do give? Latitude, longitude. You need to understand the data, right? In this one is most important thing is, right, what type of charts more useful, right? So if we like this is the value range is giving like what is the total 100% is divided 20%, 20%. This is 40%, latitude 40, and this is the latitude 40 is 20%, 39, 20%, 20%. So these two are 40, but why it is more? It is 20%. If any other field, 11, 11, 11, this is 22%, and remaining is a 44 point. So you can say pie chart. So this is like whenever data will be added, this report, this chart will be changed. Okay, so suppose you are adding new files data. So now all the complete flow is ready. So we can check here because it's saying last 15 minutes, but we can change the it's how much time interval we want to. Okay. So because we are not printing here, if you print here also our data, then we can come to know, right, our data is refreshing. Like till here Spark is coming. Or we can see OpenSearch URL, right? OpenSearch we can check. $14 are coming now. So Kinesis data stream we can check. There is a latest record. 12:58, 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock, these are the records. Okay. So 14 were there, right? Now it's showing. Last one was ALYE was there. Why these two are mixing? Oh, this is a same index. Actually, the data is coming. Actually, we have to change a different index there, but so that data is still being sent. The Firehose delivery stream, right? This we have stopped it. Right, this data is stopped. So both the records are coming. Okay. So now we check. This is changed or not? Last time,
It changed.
right? It changed, right? Okay. So it was 44%, it was 66 now, right? 69. Okay. So depending your data, right, it's coming, it will be keep changing. It's auto refresh every 15 seconds. Okay. And then finally we can do reporting, we can save it and we can publish, we can PDF, we can do, we report. So anything we can do. So we can make it dashboard kind of thing. Okay. Okay, so I think you guys try this one. I have uploaded code, everything, right, in the drive. Okay. So I'll give the drive link again. Okay. So you access it and I'll upload the video because this time the video is there. I hope. Let me confirm it. Yeah, this time the video is there. Okay. I'll upload it. Okay. And or you guys already, I think 1 or 2 guys are new, right? One guy, Ajit, right? So I'll you ping me email ID, or I ping the video in the group, okay? And drive link is there, okay? Okay, yeah, thanks everyone for keeping it
Thank you.
patience.
Thank you.
Thank you.